This is how to create and verify Geegpay account. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to sign up and start using Geegpay. This is one of the best payment gateway for Nigerians. You can download both apps for your iOS or Android devices. You can see it is trusted by over 200 creators and freelancers online. All you just need to do is to create your account, verify your account, and you start using this platform with your virtual debit card. Look at it. Get a powerful card that works everywhere. All you need to do is to click create an account. You have an option to create your Geegpay account either as a freelancer or as an owner of a company. If you choose to be an owner of a company, your company must be registered as a legal entity in your country. For the purpose of this training, I will create this account as a freelancer. Click continue. As a freelancer, I'll be able to have my USD virtual account, foreign account in all this currency. I'll be able to convert my money to my local currency. I'll be able to create and automate my invoices, and I'll be able to request payment. You click continue. After, you must have inserted your email address. They will send a code to your email address. You pick it up and you slot it in. After inputting the code, it will take you to this place. You put in your password. After inputting your password, you click next. It's as simple as that. The account has been created. You can see, please complete your application. You fill in your personal profile, employment detail. You have to verify your identity. That's the next thing. Verify your identity. This is the final step of your registration process. Then you click start identity verification. You choose either international passport, national ID card, others. This is exactly how your Geegpay account platform and profile page will look like as soon as you conclude your verification. Why do I like Geegpay? Let me show you. Look at the rate, $1 that you receive from Amazon or any merchant. As at the time I'm recording this video, we earn you 770 Nigerian Naira, and you can credit this amount to your local bank account in Nigeria. This is the black market rate online, 769. Suppose you have $100, it will earn you 77,000 Naira in Nigeria. You don't need to go to your bank and withdraw and start looking for who will do the exchange for you, and you will have access to your local currency after the exchange. Another reason why I like this platform, these are foreign currency accounts that you can generate instantly with your US bank detail. If you use Payoneer, you can withdraw less than the minimum balance of $50. All you need to transfer from Payoneer to your Geegpay account, which is based in US. Payoneer will identify that account as a US to US account transfer, and you will not be restricted to the $50 limit transfer.